Electrical 3D Systems Designer
defines, based on the electrical systems definition, the 3D representation of the wire harness assembly in context with the complete product. This to improve the overall wire harness quality, shorten design time and reduce material cost by optimizing the physical design. Using the synchronization capabilities between the logical schematic design and the 3D, we first placed the missing equipment in the physical world. Since the schematic did not contain the final placement coordinates, the airbag unit will be placed at the origin. Dedicated placement functionality will support the easy placement at the right position. Now the harness from the bottom of the seat to the airbag unit is routed. In this case we have an estimate of the diameter and bend radius since we do not have wires inside. This will be adjusted when synchronizing the wires from the schematic as well. We can define this bundle using references from existing geometry, like already placed supports or following surface from the mechanical parts. When selecting a connector, it will automatically connect in the right way to the bundle position point to guarantee the connection and its orientation. Bundle segments can be easily defined from an existing bundle without the need of point creation. Just selecting the bundle and adjusting the position is all that is needed to split the bundle in several parts. We check quickly the connections between all bundles and connectors. All is green, so all is connected, before we synchronize the wires from the schematic. In this case coming from the CATIA schematic application, but could as well come from IXF XML from other ECAD systems. CATIA will route these wires inside the already created bundles and instantly obtain bundle diameter based on wire content, and will have available the length of each wire. To summarize,
Electrical 3D Systems Designer
provides capabilities to synchronize electrical schematic to 3D design to improve electrical systems quality and consistency, design and optimize electrical 3D harness bundles and cables accurately in the context of the full product, and route 3D wires and cables to obtain exact bundle diameters and wire cable length.